Guys, in this video, we will be learning what is intrinsic NumPy and the array creation function in Python. Before that, we have seen one-dimensional array function, two-dimensional array functions. Now we have to see each function one by one. I'm using editor PyCharm. Python version 3.12 version is installed on my machine. In order to use NumPy, we have to install one library, that is NumPy. What is ndarray? The ndarray creation function can create arrays with any dimension by specifying how many dimensions and length along that dimension in a tuple or list, right? We'll see first numpy.ones. What is it? So this ones function will create an array filled with 0 values. The default DT is float 64. Okay, if you want to use NumPy, you have to first import it. NumPy, we are just taking a class of it, and we are going to create one array variable np.zero. Okay, so this is a function. So what this function does, it function actually create a matrix, that is 2 into 3 matrix. We are going to create, and then we are going to print which type of array it will be, right? And then finally we'll be printing the outcome from this array. Run the program. Okay, so here we are passing the dimensions, right? Row and columns like this. And again, so you will see, so all elements into the array represented in 0. Okay, all are 0 by default. It's a float 64 type. Want to define the type, data type of the elements, right? So you will get the integer type of element here. Okay, so 0 means we are going to create all element with 0 value. Okay, in this vector. Fine, this is two-dimensional array, and it is showing that is returning and the array again. So this is zero functions, zeros. Opposite of this function, that is 1, we are going to use it now. Instead of 0, we can use ones, and the same type of argument here. Okay, so you already know that what would be the outcome, right? It is returning an the array, and instead of 0 we are getting now value as 1. Okay, if you want to make it 3 into 3 matrix, get 3 into 3 matrix. Okay, now let's see what is a random function. So random returns random floats in half open intervals, right? We have to use, let's say, r. Let me take any variable and np.random dot default range. Okay, so this we have to generate, and if you print r dot random, okay, it will give you the random number. So you see this random number, it's generated, right? It generates the random number between 0 to 1. Okay, if you want to get the type of this number, so you will get n. Okay, then this is n number, and if you want to get the type of this n, so you will see it would be a float type. Okay, so you will see it is a float type number. If you want to generate number in 1D one dimensional array, so you can generate in a different way. Print r dot random, and we can say 3 comma. Okay, so what it will generate, it will generate a array, right? You see, if we want to create like 3 by 2 matrix, okay, then how it will create. So we have to say, let's say 3 by 2 matrix, and we have to and this way. Okay, it will print 3 by 2. See, two dimensional array, all numbers would be between 0 to 1 range. Okay, let's see what is numpy dot indices. Okay, so numpy dot indices, what it does, it will create a set of arrays, one per dimension, with each representing variation in that dimension. Okay, if you have, and then you say np.indices, here you have to pass on row and column 2 3. Okay, and then what it will give us, it will give us indices of row and columns only, right? Okay, so you see 2 and 3 indices, it gives you 0 1 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, if you have 3 into 3, then it will give you, right? If you look at documentation, so you will see dimensions. Okay, we have pass on, and then sequence of int t type we can pass on. There is a one option here, sparse. If you like to pass on sparse, so that means it will exclude your sparse array. To get the sparse array from the matrix, so you will see sparse array, it will take first and the second. Okay, right? If you make it false, then it will give the dense. Okay, so it will give the dense as you were getting previously, right? Let me make true. You want to get 0 and then 1 sparse. Okay, from your first array from the array and second array from the array. First it gives column and then second it gives row, okay, as a sparse. Okay, this is what sparse means. Yeah, d type we have seen, can do it. Want to make it float, generated with float numbers, you see. Okay, all float numbers, right? So these are normal general ND functions, okay, which are used in NumPy. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any query, you can leave your query into the comment box. We will try to cover those query in our upcoming video. That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.